Welcome to our channel. In this session, we will discuss one more example of solving a recurrence relation by using substitution method. So they given the question like this: T of n is equal to T of 1, n is equal to 1, a into T of n by b plus of f of n if n greater than 1, and they given the values of a, b and f of n. Based on the values, we need to substitute. So T of n is equal to, and also they given n is equal to 1, the value is equal to 1, and a value 1 into T of n by 2 plus Cn, n greater than 1, n is equal to 1. Now you need to solve this equation. T of n is equal to T of n by 2 plus Cn. You know the procedure. This is the time complexity for solving n number of elements. We need to recursively substitute the values until the base condition is reached. Now, for easy understanding, this is the equation for T of n. What is the equation for T of n by 2? N is replaced with n by 2 in the equation. So, T of n by 4 plus c into n by 2. Suppose what is the equation for n by 4? N is replaced with n by 4. That is T of n by 4 by 2. That is n by 8 plus c into n by 4. So this is for easy calculation. I separately written. Now what is the aim? You need to recursively substitute until the base condition is reached. Now T of n by 2 I already calculated. Simply replace this one. T of n by 4 plus Cn by 2 plus Cn plus Cn. Now T of n by 4 is replaced with T of n by 8 plus Cn by 4 plus Cn by 2 plus Cn and so on. Now our aim is, while deriving, you need to identify one pattern. If you understand the pattern, then it is very easy to find out the answer. Here T of n by 2 cube plus Cn is 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. You got the pattern? I take the common as Cn, 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. Assume this is repeated k number of times. T of n by 2 power k plus Cn into 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 power, here 3, here 2 square, that is 2 power k minus 1, 2 power k minus 1. Now when we are stopping the procedure, this value is equal to 1. So I assume n is equal to 2 power k. N is equal to 2 power k. So n by n, the value is equal to 1. T of 1 plus Cn into 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 and so on, 1 by 2 power k minus 1. Now this is fine. You need to solve this equation. Now we will solve that equation, we will get the answer. So what is the equation? 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 and so on, 1 by 2 power k minus 1. If you observe, this is in geometric progression. In the geometric progression, a value is in ar square, ar cube and so on, ar power n minus 1. A value is equal to 1, r value is equal to 1 by 2. What is the sum of the terms? A into 1 minus r power k by 1 minus r. So this equation is geometric progression. Directly I will get the answer. How? A value 1, 1 minus 1 by 2 power k by 1 minus 1 by 2. So simply 1 minus 1 by 2 means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 moves to the numerator, that is 2 into 1 minus 1 by 2 power k. 2 minus 1 by 2 by 2 power k. What is 2 power k value? N. So simply I reduce the equation. Observe, 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 in the denominator moves to the numerator, multiplied with 2. 1 minus any power k, 1 power k is 1 by 2 power k. 2 power k value is equal to 2. Now I got the solution for this. Now substitute in this equation. T of 1 value is equal to 1 plus Cn into this answer 2 minus 2 by n. So 1 plus 2 into Cn minus n are cancelled. Cn into 2Cn. See, observe. Here what is Cn into 2? 2 into Cn minus 2Cn by n. So this is cancelled. 1 plus 2Cn minus t. What is the answer? You already know while taking the asymptotic notation. If you are doing any multiplication, addition, subtraction, division with the constants are ignored. Finally, big O of ignore this one, ignore 2 into C. Finally, big O of n. Or you can represent in theta notation theta of n. This is the time complexity for this recurrence relation. In the next session, we will take some more examples of same equation with different a, b and f of n values. Thank you.